All right, guys, so here's the deal. I got a technician out here. We had a new guy start, and he has these pliers. And so my new guy was using them to cut welding wire. And my other technician, namely Curran, lost his mind. So since Sparky, the weld guy, is welding, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a little trick on Curran. I bought me some on Amazon, identical to what he's got. I'm going to make them look identical to what Curran is, and we're gonna weld them up. And then we're gonna get them back to Curran and switch them with the originals. Let's go. He's gonna die, guys. He's gonna die. What? We're welding his pliers shut.
They're not actually his.
I bought them on Amazon. I took his, I'm replacing him.
Weld back up and
I am. And I'm gonna say, can I borrow the pliers? I just wrapped them in green tape. Look identical. No longer worky. No longer worky. No longer. Moving on. All right. Can I use it? You can try. All right. How's it go? Remember the other day when you was raising the devil around him?
No, I saw that.
Snitches get stitches.
You got me. That was a pretty good one. I see you didn't use my real ones. I thought you did for a second.